Namaskar. Patanjali Yoga Sutra says, Nabhi Chakre Kaya Vyuha Dhyana. Nabhi is the navel. And navel, they say it's a map of our complete physical body and mental body. Because Nabhi is the one, the Manipur Chakra behind the Nabhi is the one which is responsible for the balance and circulation of Apan and Samana Vayu in our body system. And because of that, we have the digestion and all its related issues like acidity, loose motion, constipation, all they generate because of the Nabhi chakra not being properly balanced. A very simple way of checking whether our Nabhi is at proper place or not. Now, when we say proper place, we know that Nabhi can get moved in 10 different directions. And the direction in which it has moved gives the problem to the physical existence. That is, it can lead to acidity or it can lead to constipation and so on. And everybody is unique, so everybody may have a different issue. Now, how to check whether our Nabhi is at place, rightly placed or not? A very simple technique. Observe this. It is health in your own hands. Join the heart line of both your palms. And this heart line, once it is joined, then observe whether the other three joints, 1, 2, and 3, whether they are joined, aligned with each other or not. This is Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. I'll repeat again. This is Kapha, this is Pitta, and this is Vata. These three doshas, when they are balanced, your Nabhi is at one place. If it is not so, when you join the heart line, you will find them that these two are not aligned to each other. One could be up on up side, the other could be on downside, and likewise at these three joints. This is the way you check your Nabhi. Now, what is the way to ensure that your Nabhi is at right place all the time is open your palm, make your thumb inside, make a fist. This is Adi Mudra. And at the center line of your arm, your bicep muscles and tricep muscles, hold them like this. Hold them tightly like this. Thumb at the bottom, and with the other 4 fingers you are pressing the center line of the bicep muscle. And now with the jerk, do it towards the shoulder, full energy. Do it about 15 times on one side, and same way you repeat on the other side. Thumb inside and give a jerk, 10 to 15 times or 20 times on both the sides. You will ensure that your Nabhi is placed. Now, how do you check it? If there is some displacement in the Nabhi alignment, what we had seen here, if it is initially displaced, they are not aligned, you will find this, that after doing this particular exercise, your Nabhi will get aligned and you can see it in your own arms, in your own palms, then and there. And that is why Yoga Shastra, it talks about health in your own hands. Enjoy the process, do it with full awareness that it is improving you every day. When you have that faith and trust, then this works. Take care of yourself. Namaskar.